Etsy and Gumroad are two of the best platforms for selling digital products, especially for beginners. Etsy brings enormous built-in buyer traffic, meaning you can make sales even with zero audience. It's perfect for templates, planners, printables, checklists, and aesthetic digital items. Gumroad, on the other hand, gives you higher control, branding options, and better profit margins. It is ideal for selling ebooks, Notion templates, courses, and premium digital kits. Both platforms require no inventory, shipping, packaging, or physical logistics. With AI tools, you can create beautiful products, mock-ups, descriptions, and SEO tags in minutes. Launching a store today is one of the simplest, lowest risk ways to start earning passive income with digital products. The setup of your store determines how customers perceive your brand and how well your products rank. Start by choosing a niche that reflects your products, such as productivity, fitness, digital business, education, or wellness. Next, use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to create a polished store banner, logo, and thumbnail styles. Write an SEO-optimized store title and description using AI, focusing on keywords your audience is searching for. Organize your store with clear categories so buyers can easily find what they need. Etsy's algorithm also rewards shops that look legitimate and helpful, so include policies, FAQs, and delivery details. These elements build trust and increase conversion rates. This setup only takes about an hour with AI and lays the foundation for long-term passive sales. Next, use AI to generate product ideas based on trending niches, popular search terms, and market gaps. AI can analyze Etsy bestsellers and identify opportunities where demand is high but competition is low. Then begin designing your digital products: planners, habit trackers, business templates, Notion dashboards, educational worksheets, or printable journals. Use Canva and AI-generated graphics to create clean, aesthetic layouts. High-quality mockups are essential. Use Canva's mockup frames or AI to create product previews that attract attention. Offer variations such as minimal, colorful, dark mode, or seasonal themes. Bundles also increase order value and appeal to different customer needs. When your products genuinely solve a problem, saving time, organizing life, improving productivity, they sell far more consistently. Uploading your digital product is where the magic happens. Use AI to write your SEO-optimized product title, long description, bullet points, and the full list of 13 Etsy tags. On Gumroad, optimize your product page with benefit-focused copy that explains how your product improves the customer's life or workflow. Pricing varies by complexity. Simple printables may sell for $4.99 to $9.99, while full Notion dashboards or business kits can command $19 to $29 or more. Upload several mockups showing what the customer will receive. The more preview images you include, the higher your conversion rate. For launch, consider offering a discount for the first week to drive early sales and boost your ranking. Remember, Etsy rewards listings that convert well in the first 30 days. Promotion turns a good store into a thriving passive income machine. Pinterest is by far the best platform for Etsy promotions, and AI can create pins, titles, and descriptions for you. TikTok and Instagram Reels showcasing your templates or dashboards also perform exceptionally well. You can generate daily content using AI scripts and design tools. Meanwhile, automation tools handle digital delivery, access links, customer emails, refund messages, and FAQs so you don't have to. Seasonal promotions like New Year planners, back-to-school templates, holiday kits, and fitness trackers can massively increase sales. The easiest way to scale is simple. Upload new products weekly. Each new item becomes another income source, and over time, your store becomes a compounding digital asset. With AI and automation, running a digital product store becomes truly passive.